Planning is very important in experiments. Correct planning will help you use the right equipment, know which variables will need to be controlled, reduce errors, and ensure your results are valid. In order to get accurate results, you need to be very methodical and precise in the planning stage. First, clearly define your research question. What are you trying to find out? What is the purpose of this experiment? Once you have a clear question in mind, you can start thinking about how to test it. Next, come up with a hypothesis. What do you think will happen based on your research and background knowledge? This will help guide your experiment and give you something to test. You will also need to consider the variables that could affect the results. You will need to control as many variables as possible to ensure that your results are accurate and reliable. This means carefully designing your experiment to minimize any outside influences. Think about the materials and equipment needed for the experiment. Ensure you have the correct measuring equipment to ensure accurate volumes and weights, as measurements should be accurate so that results are close to true value. Your experiments should also be repeatable and can be defined as such. If results are similar and precise when the experiment is repeated, others can repeat your experiment and get similar results, and your experiment can be repeated with similar but different equipment. Random, or human, errors are a common cause of error in investigation, such as recording the volume of a liquid on a meniscus curve. Before commencing with your experiment, you will need to write the method, which will have to include more than a step-by-step guide. It should clearly show the method in which the equipment is to be used, as well as the independent and dependent variables, to get valid results.